Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. And I'm very happy that the Kali Oracle workshop started, and I'm sure a lot of people will start getting blessings with the blessings from the divine, because it just a basic thing got over and the introduction class is going to start. And somewhere I feel a lot of people will start connecting with the Kali cards more profoundly and more happily. Now today, before every time whenever I take up on Kali cards, I first channel what color, or if there's any message that Kalima wants me to give it to you all. Today, I feel you need to burn kacha kapur or any sort of a camphor in your house in the entrance, outside the house, not inside the house, so that any unwanted energies will go away from your home and will cleanse the home. Also, sprinkle around your home little bit of rose water, and intending that blessings are coming to your home. Today, the color needs to be red. You need a lot of energy to run throughout the day. I don't know what Mata means by energy, but you need energy, so I'm suggesting the color red. Now, coming to the cards, let's pick first one card and see what is the card that is coming. Gauri Devi. Now, that's another beautiful card, but let's see one more card. What is coming? Kalika Tantrika. This, if you see here, it's Lord Shiva surrendering to Ma Kali. But let's see what in general these two cards mean. Whenever people see this card, they start getting feared. They feel that it's very fearsome. But actually speaking, when compared to Kali, the Gauri Kali, she is also a form of Kali. She believes in giving. She believes in giving abundance, but at the same time she says keep your boundaries in check, and don't doubt your abilities. Bring a balance between you, bring a balance inside you, and trust yourself. Only when you trust yourself, you will be able to overcome the darkness from your life and bring in abundance and bringing the blessings the way you want to have. So basically, she is ready to give you what you want. At the same time, she also says that you need to check on your boundaries and not think, or just keep yourself within a certain restrictions. At the same time, trust in her and go with the flow. Now, coming to Kalika Tantrika, she is the goddess who overcomes everything, and she brings in healing. She just, I feel, whenever I see this card, as if bad times have gone and beautiful memories or good times are coming ahead. This is what I always feel whenever I see her in my readings. But at the same time, it is said that whenever this comes, it says that you need to start thinking intelligently. You also need to remove unwanted people or remove unwanted energies from your life in order for you to be successful in your life. Now, whenever this card comes, I just tell people to chant any Kali mantra that they are connected to or they feel is good, and they feel they connect with, at least for 21 times, and Kalima will bless them with all the abundance. Basically, sometimes this card also means surrender it. Think intellectually, think intelligently, all that is fine, but just surrender it and go with the flow. And Ma Kali knows what to do and what is good for you. Jai Ma Kali.